Welcome back to the MotorVibes channel. Today we will explore top 7 bang for buck motorcycles for 2024. So, let's start. Number 7. Royal Enfield Hunter 350. This bike is all about simplicity and style, offering a great riding experience at an affordable price. Priced around $4,000, it's like your favorite pair of jeans. Comfortable, reliable, and ready for anything. The 350cc engine provides a pleasant ride, perfect for daily commutes and weekend adventures. It's not the fastest bike, but its fun factor and affordability make it a joy to ride. If you want a stylish and reliable motorcycle without spending a fortune, the Hunter 350 is the perfect choice. Its classic design and modern reliability make it a standout option for any rider. The Hunter 350's simple mechanics and robust build ensure it's easy to maintain and built to last. Whether you're new to riding or have years of experience, this bike offers a dependable and enjoyable ride. It's designed to be both practical and fun, making it a great choice for everyday use. If you're looking for a bike that delivers great value, style, and reliability, the Royal Enfield Hunter 350 should be at the top of your list. Number 6. Yamaha XSR700. The Yamaha XSR700 is a modern take on a classic design, offering plenty of fun for a great price. Priced at around $8,900, it combines retro style with modern performance. Its 689cc engine provides a smooth and exciting ride, making it perfect for city streets and twisty back roads. The XSR700 is light and easy to handle, with a comfortable riding position for longer rides. It's not the flashiest bike, but its blend of style, performance, and affordability makes it a standout choice for any rider. The bike's lightweight frame and responsive controls make it a joy to ride in any situation. Whether you're navigating city traffic or enjoying a scenic ride, the XSR700 delivers a dynamic and engaging experience. Its retro-inspired design is complemented by modern technology, ensuring you get the best of both worlds. The XSR700's comfortable ergonomics and practical features make it a great choice for both daily commuting and weekend adventures. If you're looking for a motorcycle that combines classic looks with modern performance, the Yamaha XSR700 is a fantastic choice that offers great value for money. Number 5. Honda Rebel 300. We have the Honda Rebel 300, a smart choice for budget-conscious riders. This small cruiser is perfect for beginners, offering an easy and fun ride without a high price tag. With legendary Honda reliability, you won't have to worry about unexpected breakdowns. Priced around $5,100, the Rebel 300 is affordable and practical. Its 286cc engine is lively enough for city rides and short highway trips. Lightweight and easy to handle, this bike is like a comfortable pair of jeans, dependable, stylish, and budget-friendly. The Rebel 300 is designed to be accessible and enjoyable for new riders while still offering enough performance to keep experienced riders happy. Its low seat height and light weight make it easy to maneuver, giving you confidence on the road. The Rebel 300's classic cruiser style is paired with modern features, making it a great all-around motorcycle. It's perfect for daily commutes, weekend cruises, or just enjoying a ride around town. If you're looking for a bike that combines affordability, reliability, and style, the Honda Rebel 300 is a fantastic option. Number 4. Suzuki SV 650. A bike all about delivering joy without emptying your wallet. Priced under $7,000, it's a reliable and affordable way to enjoy motorcycling. The 645cc V-twin engine offers a smooth and enjoyable ride, perfect for both city commutes and countryside adventures. Despite its budget-friendly price, the SV650 is built to last, offering reliability and performance. Its comfortable riding position and agile handling make it a versatile bike for various riding conditions. If you want a bike that's fun, reliable, and affordable, the Suzuki SV 650 is hard to beat. Its friendly price tag doesn't mean it skimps on features or quality. It's designed to provide a great riding experience without costing a fortune. The SV 650's lightweight frame and nimble handling make it a joy to ride in any situation. Whether you're navigating city traffic or carving up country roads, this bike delivers a responsive and enjoyable ride. Its straightforward design and proven performance make it a favorite among riders looking for a dependable motorcycle that won't break the bank. If you're after a bike that offers great value and a lot of fun, the Suzuki SV 650 is an excellent choice. Number 3. Yamaha MT09. Meet the Yamaha MT09, a bike designed for fun and performance without a high price tag. This bike is all about making you smile with its 890c engine, delivering plenty of power for thrilling rides. Its agile handling makes city riding a joy, and its comfortable position ensures a great experience even on longer trips. Yamaha has packed the MT09 with features like a digital display and various electronic aids for a safer ride. Priced at around $9,400, this bike offers a great mix of excitement and value, making it a worthy investment for any rider looking for thrills without breaking the bank. The MT09 is like a playful puppy, always eager to please, and it's built to handle both daily commutes and weekend adventures. Its lightweight design and responsive controls make it easy to navigate through traffic and tackle winding roads. Whether you're weaving through city streets or enjoying the open road, the MT09 delivers a dynamic and engaging ride. It's a bike that's built for those who love the thrill of riding, offering both performance and practicality. With its stylish looks and impressive specs, the MT09 is a great choice for anyone looking to add some excitement to their rides. Number 2. Royal Enfield Classic 350. This bike is a throwback to simpler times with its chrome finishes and timeless design, but comes with modern reliability. Priced around $4,000, it's perfect for budget-conscious riders. It may not be the fastest, but it offers a smooth ride and is ideal for city cruising or weekend getaways. Its classic look will turn heads, and its engine sound is music to any motorcycle lover's ears. The Classic 350 is easy to maintain, saving you money in the long run. It's fun, functional, and fashionable while being light on the wallet. Expect thumbs-ups and admiring looks wherever you go. It's all part of owning this iconic motorcycle. The bike's simple mechanics mean it's easy to care for, and it's built to last. If you're looking for a motorcycle that combines vintage charm with modern convenience, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a fantastic choice. Its comfortable riding position and smooth handling make it perfect for everyday use. You'll enjoy every ride, whether it's a quick trip around town or a longer journey on the weekends. The Classic 350 is all about enjoying the ride without worrying about high costs or complicated maintenance. It's a true classic that brings joy and nostalgia to every journey. Number 1. Triumph Speed 400. We have the Triumph Speed 400. This bike isn't just a motorcycle, it's a fantastic deal. It's affordable yet powerful, making it perfect for riders of all skill levels. Don't let its small size fool you. Its 398cc engine offers a surprising amount of power, giving you a smooth and lively ride, especially on winding roads. The Speed 400 isn't about being the fastest bike, it's about comfort and fun. With its upright seating, you won't feel cramped even after long rides. Despite its low price, Triumph hasn't cut any corners. This bike features top-quality suspension that handles bumps effortlessly and includes modern technology like ABS and traction control for a safer ride. If you're looking for a motorcycle that offers excellent performance without a hefty price tag, the Triumph Speed 400 is worth checking out. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver through city traffic, and its playful spirit will keep you entertained on every ride. Whether you're a new rider or have years of experience, the Triumph Speed 400 promises a fun and enjoyable experience without breaking the bank. It's a bike that punches above its weight in performance and value, making it a top contender in its class. If you're after a motorcycle that's both affordable and fun, the Speed 400 should be on your list. And that's all for today on MotorVibes. Keep riding, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.